Hello students of class 6. In this video I am going to explain about the next of the portion of the same chapter, universe and our solar system. So today first I am going to explain how we are able to know about the space. Okay, so the first thing that with the progress of time, researches and studies for exploring facts have been made possible by evolving and growing space technology. Scientists have designed and made instrument with the help of those instruments they were able to study our earth and the solar system. Okay, so the study of the solar system is carried by an instrument known as the telescope. Okay, so the astronomers or the space scientists use this telescope to explore the space and to know more about the space. So what is this telescope? So telescope is actually an optical instrument which is designed to make the distant objects of the space like the celestial body nearer using glass lenses, carved mirror by which rays of light are collected and focused and resulting the image magnified. So what is this? This is the definition of telescope. So what is this telescope? Actually it is an optical instrument which is designed by the scientists to make the distant object more visible to us. How this distant object are becoming more visible and vividly, we can study about this by using some glass lenses. Okay, by the use of this glass lenses and this curved mirror, so the light passes through this glass lenses and this glass lenses and the curved mirror are present inside this telescope. So through this glass lenses and the curved mirror, the rays of the light passes and this collect the images and this focused and with the help of this the image it's getting focused and ultimately we are getting the magnified image of the spaces. Okay, so this first telescope was built by a Dutch lens maker known as Hans Lippershey in the year 1608, and in the year 1609 an Italian scientist named Galileo Galilei, I know all of you know this name, built his own telescope to study the sky. So the study of this space and the physical exploration of this space gained its momentum with the invention of some specific things like the spacecrafts or rockets. Next is the unmanned robotic probes. So these are the two things. With the help or invention of these two helps the scientists and the astronomers to know more and more about this space, or our space and our solar system. So this space so there was a space race also in between the two countries, like the Soviet Union, which is actually Russian portion, and the United States in the early of the 20th century. So the date 4th of October is very important in the history of this space. Why? Because on this particular day the Russian scientists sent an artificial satellite. Artificial means those thing which is being made by or manufactured by the man, which is not made by the nature itself, okay, to the space. And the name of that satellite was Sputnik 1, and the meaning of this satellite in the Russian language is baby moon. So the first artificial satellite made by our India is Aryabhatta by our space research organization, that is ISRO, and the full form of ISRO is Indian Space Research Organization. So this is the end of this video. I'll continue with the next of the portion in the next video. Thank you everyone.